Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Google App Scripting, right? As I already told you in my last video that I would start one series of Google App Scripting the day that actually came now, and from the today onwards, I would be uploading the video on Google App Scripting as well. And this is something, okay, this is the series which will be going on, right? And I would be explaining each and everything from the starting to the advanced level. So today is the introduction, and one by one that we will be learning the steps. Okay, we will be learning about the Google App scripts, right? And we will be using it practically, that okay, so that we will be able to make our work automated, right? So as I do make the videos on the other technologies such as SQL, VBA and Excel. So basically what all we actually do, we mainly work on the data, right? So just to make our work easy, we use a multiple technologies such as the VB is one of our most powerful application based language based programming language, which help us to get our work done, which people actually do repetitive time, right? So the same here, we do work on the Google Sheet. Okay, in the Google Sheet we do work on the data, and sometimes we need to do, we will have to do the one work, okay, repetitive time, in order to make that work, right, easy. We will be able to make that work automated, right? So that the user only need to click only on one button, and that will actually help us to get our work done, okay, in a just few seconds or in just few minutes, right? Through Google App Scripts, those kind of things we will be doing, right? So here is the technology, here is the introduction I have written. Okay, and let's go through with it so that you guys will understand about it. So here what I have written here, the Google App Script, it is the JavaScript cloud scripting language that provides the easy way to automate the Google products and third-party services and build web application. So basically, the Google App Scripts also help us to integrate the Google products. Google products such as the form we can integrate, and Google add-ins we can integrate, and the so many whatever the Google products we do have, we are easily able to connect and integrate those products with the Google App Scripts, right? And we will be also integrating the API, the different website we will be able to integrate through this language, right? Those things we will be doing, okay, one by one. But yes, but mainly we will be working on the data part, okay, so that we can, how we can filter out the data, how we can sort the data, how we can mainly the data part we will be covering up, right? And about the APIs, that how we can fetch the data from the API from the different website, those are the which we can say the web integration, right? That we also will be learning. All right. And the second, the installation and setup. Is there any way we need to install the Google App Script or something? No, it does not require any installation. The things is only required is Google account. We must have the Gmail account, that's it. And that is something which is completely sufficient, okay? That is only what actually it requires, right? And here I would show you the interface. Okay, so that the third point that which I have written, you can press the Control R from your keyboard to run the code. It will save the code first if not saved. For example, that you have written the code and now you want to execute, so directly you can press Control R. First it will save your code, then it will get executed, right? That is something which is a powerful shortcut key which we can learn. I will show you. Okay, I will take you to the Gmail account, and how we will be able to get that the Google App Scripts editor. I will tell you about that, right? What can app script do? It means what all we can do through this language. Add a custom function to the Google Sheet. We can create the custom function, as we do have a VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. How we can create our own custom functions in the Google Sheets, right? Create and publish the web apps. We create the apps, and how we can publish that on the website, right? That also we will be learning. It also help us to save the time, okay, when we write the code to accomplish the specific task which we do on a daily basis. The repetitive work, it actually, obviously, that if we have created the app scripts, and that is something which is helping us on a daily basis to making our work done in just few minutes. Okay, this is how that it is helping us to saving our time, right? And the fourth, they use the data contained in the Google Sheet, and they do this stuff with it. It means we contain the lot of data, in the Google Sheet, and do the stuffs with it. I mean, we do multiple things with it, right? And this is how we it help us. We sometimes manipulate the data. We do a lot of things with it, right? And after that we can also integrate. If for example we have created the Google form, if we want to do any kind of manipulation with that Google form, we want some extra flexibility in that form, that we can use the Google App Scripts, and we can integrate that form with the Google App Scripts, right? And the sixth one, interact with the widely variety of Google product. It means the app script is something which is very very powerful, which can help us to integrate the Google products, especially whatever the Google products we do have, we will be able to create. We can automate the Gmail. We can also we can create the email email generator, which can send the multiple emails in just few minutes. This kind of works, it help us to do. Okay. And this language is also known as a gas. So gas is something which is the funny word, but yes, the gas is stands for the Google App Scripts, right? Gas, it also known as a gas, which is Google App Script, right? I have written here. And what all we can do? Integration with the Google services. What I have written, Google Apps Scripts, seamlessly integrates with the various Google services such as the Sheets, Documents, Form, Gmail, Calendar, and more, allowing you to automate the task and extend the capabilities of these services, right? Whatever we see, for example, that we do know one website, we do know one, for example, we know Google Sheet. In Google Sheet, what all we can do, what all extra we can do through this language, this help us to make the work more flexible, more effective, right, and accurately through this language. And the automation we can do, through this language. We can prepare the report, okay, in just few seconds, just few minutes, okay, through this language. Kind of macro we can create, as we do create in Excel, we create the macro. Okay, in Google Sheet we can create the app scripts, which help us to help us to get our work done very faster, right? Okay, to automated the repetitive tasks such as sending emails. When it comes about to send the multiple emails, okay, sometimes it takes very very much time. So okay, in order to make it easy, we can write the app scripts, and which definitely that will help us to send in the emails in just few seconds or in just few minutes, right? And the generating the reports and updating the spreadsheet and managing the calendar events, this automation help us save time and the reduce the manual efforts. Obviously, the more the more we can make the work automated, that will definitely become more efficient, right? If there is in any glitch, we have fixed. If we have found, then we fix it, right? And this is how it actually works, and this is how actually it happens. And this is the approach, okay, we people follow. All right. So this is something which was the introduction of the Google App Script. That's what only we will be learning. Okay, and I have given you little theoretical knowledge about the Google App Scripts. Now I'm gonna take you, okay, how it actually looks. So I'm going to take you to my Gmail address. This is my Gmail address. You will have an option of dots here, Google Apps. Click here, go in the drive, and after that you can click on this option new, right, and create any file. For example, I do already have this file. I'm just double clicking. I'm clicking blank Google Sheet, right? Google Sheet, that's it. I created the blank Google Sheet. In the Google Sheet we do have a option of extensions, right here. You just need to click on this option. You will have an option of app script. For example, if I will click here, app scripts you do have, right? Just click on it. As soon as you will click on this, you will have a app script editor. You see, it is still getting load. Let it load. All right, let's click again. Go in app scripts. you know the one more editor will get open here. By default you will get the one define function here. You just wait, you will be able to see it, right? The my function, whatever you want to write, you need to write here. And I would be telling you what all we can do, right? This is what, but this is the option. Let me make you understand here. If you want to create more, you know in Excel VB, what happened, we create the module. Here we need to kind of module, you can say, just you need to create. Click on the plus sign, click on scripts. In the scripts, whatever the project name you want to give, for example, I am giving the project 1, right here. Write your own function if you want. If you want to create more functions, just double click, I mean click on the plus icon again, and again you need to click on the script. Again you will have one more project right here, project 2. Okay, this is how you can create the multiple in the projects, and you can write the code as much as you want to write, right? And you can integrate this app script with this Google Sheet. For example, you want to write something in A1, you need to, and how we can assign this app scripting in the button, that also we will be learning, right? We will be learning, but in the next video. In this video, I wanted to, and I wanted you guys to understand how actually it works and what are the benefits, and why we should learn. We should learn it to make the work easy. Okay, as we make our work easy in Excel through macro and VBA. In this, I mean on the Google Sheet, or in the Google Sheet, we have to use the app script or macros, right, to make the work easy, simple. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share guys with you, and that I shared with you, and I would also attach this file for your understanding. You can download this for your understanding. All right, and let's meet in the next video with a new topic, not a new topic, but yes, okay, the series it will be going on, and I will tell you the next thing, but next after this, that will come in the next video, and I will definitely tell you about that. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much.